Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Mama G, and for today's video guys, I'm gonna share to you on how to use this aloe vera gel. So this one is from Betty's Nature, and I bought this one in Amazon, and I'm gonna link on my description box guys, so you guys can find it easily. Okay, so this is 92% aloe vera gel for body, face and hands. So unfortunately not for the hair, because I also apply aloe vera to my hair. Sometimes I buy in the supermarket and I made my own aloe vera gel.
Everyone, I just want to update you guys the amazing benefits of aloe vera this 2022. Based on my research, aloe vera is not just a moisturizer for skin and hair. Aloe vera stimulates fibroblasts that produce the collagen and elastin fibers, making the skin more elastic and less wrinkled. Aloe vera is also used to treat acne. It contains enzymes, antioxidants, vitamins A and C, and thanks to the natural amounts of salicylic acid. Not just on skincare superpowers. This goopy gel can also benefit hair health. Itchy or flaky scalp, cleans oily hair, strengthen brittle hair, protect hair from the sun, increase hair growth, and give more shine.
100% no chemicals, but the thing is, when there's no chemicals, it doesn't stay long. Okay, so it's just stay like 3 to 5 days, but this one, I'm using this one for almost a year, so I need aloe vera gel every day, so I decided to buy aloe vera gel from Betty's Nature. Okay, so this one is soothing, moisturizing, refreshing, cooling, quick absorbing, and rich with vitamin, no alcohol for a good conditioned skin. Okay, so this is 300 ml with natural aloe vera. I'm gonna read behind guys. Mild aloe vera soothing gel for everyday use, without alcohol and enriched with vitamin and calendula. Instruction of use: apply liberally to the skin, repeat as often as required, suitable for use all over the body. So I'm using this one guys every day, morning and evening, yes. And I'm using this one after washing my face, some primer. And sometimes I'm using this one after I apply cream on my face. Okay, so after applying this one, my face is not too sticky, you know, like the creamy sometimes it's too sticky, you know what I mean. And sometimes after applying oil on my face, I apply aloe vera gel, so my face is not too oily. That's how it works guys. It's really good. I really love this aloe vera, that's why I'm sharing to you guys. Okay, so look at this. I did not consume a lot, okay, as you can see, because I only apply on my face. So this is the texture. Later on I'm gonna show you guys on how I use this one, but for now I have to clean my face before applying this one. Oh, it's too sunny today. Okay, so I'm gonna wash my face. I'm gonna prepare my towel. Okay, so this one is just a towel for my face, not for my body, you know. Okay. So look at my face guys. Okay, so this is my face, and yeah. So I'm using CeraVe. So this CeraVe is very nice. It's like a conditioner, no foam. Okay, it's very soft and it's easy to rinse, and it's really protect the barrier of the skin. Okay, so and there is no foam. Okay, so by drying my face, I will just top the towel and I don't scrub my face, you know what I mean. So just be gentle to your face. Top. Okay, Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys on how I use this one. So yeah, this is Aloe. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys. Start, guys. You just have to apply like this. Okay. Okay, I take care of my face like I take care of my neck, because I don't want they don't look like the same age, you know what I mean? So yeah, I apply whatever I apply on my face. So yeah, also guys, you can apply aloe vera gel to your lips. This one is good moisturizer for the lips. I never got a choppy lips in this winter. It's miracle. Because I always put aloe vera gel on my lips. Okay, so you have to rub the aloe vera gel. Okay, on the eyes, even the lashes. You can apply on your lashes, because aloe vera gel can make your hair grow faster. So I think also the lashes. Okay, and then so when you finish to put all over your face and neck, so it's time to massage. Okay, so if you don't want to have a sagging skin, and you have to do this. If you don't want to have any mark here, you have to do this. If you don't want to have a wrinkle here, you have to do this. If you don't want to have lines here, you have to do this. We have to do this because we don't want to get old. As I can be old, but I don't want to look like older, so we have a choice. If you don't want to look like older, you have to take care of your face. Are you agree? Okay, so by massaging, guys, you have to massage going up, okay, until the aloe vera become dry. So massage going up. Going up, okay. So by massaging, going up always, guys, and going out from your face, okay. Not like this, not like this, not like that, you know. Don't put any lines, just two like this, gently, and going up, okay. Up. And then here you have to use 2 fingers and going up. Okay, when you feel it's dry, you can stop massaging. And sometimes I use a blow dry, and I put #1, guys, because #1 is not hot, okay. And yeah, I just blow dry my face like this. Yes, it helps my face to be get dry faster. And voila, I think it helps me to close the pores, you know, because it's a little bit cold. So yeah, that's the result of aloe vera gel. What do you guys think? It's really good. I highly recommend this one, guys. You have to buy this one. So yeah, anyway guys, I love natural products, so I'm just wanna share to you guys what I'm using. So yeah, I use aloe vera gel, and I use Vaseline cream on my face. I use jojoba oil on my face. This is very different from other oils, guys. So this one is very safe, guys, because this is the closest oil to our body, which we call sebum. So you don't have to worry. This one is very safe for the face. Okay, I also use this one for the hair, my body. So yeah, this is very good for the face, guys. If you have acne, it's really good also. It can cure acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Okay, so it's really good. And also this one, I applied this one, La Roche-Posay. So this one is a soothing repairing balm. I applied this one in the evening after aloe vera gel, and it's give me a nice result in the morning. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to put thumbs up if you find this video helpful. If you have any question, you can put your comment down below, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more upcoming videos. See you in my next vlog. Bye. Thank you for watching.